Hello everyone, greetings to you all. This is the Crypto Prophets. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time guys, let's take a look at today's video. But before then, I want you guys to go to Twitter, which is X. Go to my profile at Exploits Trading. This is it, at Exploits Trading. Okay, the Crypto Prophets. So my Twitter handle is at Exploits Trading. So subscribe to my Twitter handle because you're going to be getting updates there. And also I'm having an upcoming podcast and Twitter space, a live Twitter space, and it's tagged the next move, preparing for the next crypto opportunity. Okay, so the co-host is Digital Chi and the Crypto Prophets. That's the Crypto Prophets TV Roundtable. Okay, so this Twitter space is scheduled twice every week. So it is upcoming by tomorrow, which is Sunday. So if you want to be part of it, ensure you schedule for the space, ensure you check the time, check your timer, set your alarm, and be live on the space with the Crypto Prophets. So every week we're going to be having spaces for 2 times. So ensure you're in those spaces because they're going to be very educative, and in most of the spaces we would be inviting guest speakers from around the world to speak. Now you see guys, like I told you all, I said we are in a financial journey, or we are on a financial journey. We are all undertaking a financial journey, and I've told you guys about the upcoming bull run and the secrets and all that. So this space is scheduled to give you information, provide you with updates, provide you with information. As many persons that need education, it's going to be educative, it's going to be interactive. There are also going to be giveaways as well upcoming in the spaces in the future. So do not miss out from any space that is conducted by the Crypto Prophets. Subscribe to my X handle and let's build a better future. Guys, so now this is my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel and I need you to watch this video. You need my premium channel. This video is very important. Okay, go watch this video, including this one. I saw this global mystery about the next bull run and the future of water. So in this particular video, I spoke about a certain secret and a coin that is carrying a massive shorting opportunity. So this is a very important video and a very important information. Okay, so if you want to connect with the Crypto Prophets, check the descriptive part of this video and go through my channel. You would see the email to send an email to, and get into the channel of the Crypto Prophet, or into the family or the community of the Crypto Prophets. Very, very important. So let's head on straight into the charts and let's take it up from there. Alright guys, so I just want to share this chart with you. This is the Ethereum charts, and there is something that actually bothers me, though it doesn't bother me anyway, because if it happens, I am definitely going to take advantage of the opportunity. But I just thought to share this information because it is very, very important. Okay, I thought to share this information with you guys because this is very important, just in case this happens. Now, if you watch my previous video, I've been speaking about Bitcoin being in a bearish state. Okay, if you go watch that video, you would see there I've been very, very accurate in my Bitcoin analysis. As a matter of fact, let's go to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so now this is my YouTube channel, the Crypto Prophet TV. So go watch this video that I uploaded. Okay, this video I've already made reference to it. You need my premium channel, very important. And then I saw this global mystery about the next bull run and the future of water. This video was uploaded 7 days ago. Go watch this video, very important. Altcoins dropping activated. Go watch this video. Now guys, in this video I prophesied about the 18th of June. You can see 2nd June prophecy fulfilled. I see 6th, 10th, 18th to 29th August, even up to the month of August 2026. I've given some prophetic words here, so very important. So I have been speaking about Bitcoin, okay, and if we check the 18th of June, you guys would have observed that Bitcoin dropped on the 18th of June. Let's go back to the chart so you can confirm this prophecy. This video was uploaded 2 weeks ago. So let's go back to the Bitcoin charts. So this is the Bitcoin charts. And if you guys observe on the 18th, you can see how Bitcoin dropped 18th of June. Bitcoin dropped on the 18th of June. Okay. This prophecy was very, very accurate. Bitcoin dropped on the 18th of June, as you can see it here. Okay. So guys, all what I've told you is happening. It has come to pass. But now I'm not really talking about Bitcoin per se. This video is actually for Ethereum. So I'm going to be taking you guys to the Ethereum charts because there's something there that I just want to talk about. Okay, very, very important. So guys, if we go to the Ethereum 1 month charts, there's actually something that bothers me. Okay, not like it bothers me per se, but it's actually something we should take consideration. We should put into consideration and take a look at, because this has the potential of bringing money, and it also has the potential to affect a lot of people negatively and also impacts into people positively as well, mostly those who are able to take advantage of this particular pattern. So I will just be going straight to the point with the Ethereum chart. Now guys, take a look at this. Can you see this green line? Now this green line connects us to Ethereum all the way from 2017. So from 2017 all the way into 2026. Okay, that's for the past 9 years. Ethereum has respected this green line. Okay, the past 9 years Ethereum has respected this green line. And there is something very important I observed about this green line, which I'm going to be sharing with the house and I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, if you observe, guys, Ethereum is always above this green line. Okay, it has not broken. It didn't break below this green line for a specific number of time. Okay, for a certain number of time, Ethereum didn't break below this green line. Now Ethereum pumped, and then when it broke below this green line, this was in the year 2018, and look at the dump we had. Okay, let's calculate the percentage. Now Ethereum dropped by roughly 66% when it broke below this green line. Okay, then it pumped again from here and came to this green line. This was in the year 2019. It found this green line as an area of resistance and then dropped back down. Okay, it dropped back down by roughly, let's calculate the percentage, 75%, as you guys can see. And then it pumped up, came up to this same green line in the year 2020 after touching it in the year 2019. That was like 1 year later. It came up back to this green line, and then when it broke out of this green line, look at the massive pump that came out of Ethereum. Look at the massive pump that came out of Ethereum. Ethereum appreciated by roughly, let's check the percentage from 2020. Ethereum appreciated by 730%. Okay, so we see here that this green line here is a very, very strong trend line that affects the price of Ethereum. Very, very important. Okay, then guys, we dropped back down back to this green line. This was in the year 2022, the 2022 crypto crash. We dropped back to this green line, found support on it, and then had a bounce upward. Okay, for Ethereum. So we bounced from here up to this point, which was 369%. Then we dropped back down and came back again to this green line. And then when we pumped back up again, what happened? We appreciated by roughly 261 to 262%, as you guys can see. And right now, guys, we are back to this green line again. So now here is the $1 million question. And here is the question that is very important. Okay, now guys, listen. In the channel of the Crypto Prophet, you get information, you get secrets that you will not find anywhere else globally. And this is why I, the Crypto Prophet, am very unique, because my videos, if you follow my videos, if you've been following me for the past 3 to 4 years now, you would observe that the information I share, you can't find it out there. The information I share is very unique, and I don't just stop there. I call dates, I call time. So this is very, very important. This is very, very critical. Ethereum is in a very, very critical condition, and I'm coming out once again in my videos to give you these updates, okay? And this is why you need to follow the Crypto Prophets. Click on that subscribe button, follow me if you're not following me, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on important informations like this, because informations like this has the capacity to change your life for good. So this is why you need to follow the Crypto Prophets. Very, very important. So guys, right now Ethereum is back to this same green line, and here is the question: is Ethereum going to break this green line, or is it going to still find support on this green line, just like it did in the year 2022? It repeated the same pattern in the year 2025, and now we are in the year 2026, 1 year later. So is Ethereum going to break this green line, this green trend line that it has respected for the past number of years since the year 2022? This green line brought about the massive increase in the price of Ethereum in the year 2022. In the year 2020, when Ethereum broke out of this line. I believe some of you were able to catch Ethereum at this price. This was when altcoins began booming. I remember this time, I remember this period, because I personally invested into a lot of altcoins and Ethereum as at this time. I remember a lot of businesses began springing out in the internet related to the crypto space, smart contracts and all that. All this became a boom at this time, and this was the time Ethereum broke out of this trend line to the upside, and you had this massive pump. Then Ethereum was still at a price of around $500 to $580. It was beating around that price, and then when it broke out of this green line, this was the result. Ethereum pumped to as high as $4,000. So imagine the percentage increase. And then anytime Ethereum falls down, it returns back to this green line. It falls down, it returns back to this green line. Now it has fallen in the year 2026. From 2025 to 2026, Ethereum is back to this same green line. So now this is just what I want to bring to your attention, okay? I think Ethereum right now is in a very critical condition. And what I just want to tell you guys is this: if Ethereum breaks this green line, expect a strong dump in the price of Ethereum. This is what I need you guys to understand. The current price of Ethereum is around 1,690. So if Ethereum breaks this green line, remember I told you guys that Bitcoin will still have some more downsides. That's the truth. Bitcoin will still have some more downsides. And if Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum, then that means if Bitcoin drops down, Ethereum will drop harder. But where Ethereum can, consolidate and refuse going back, down below this line, is if Ethereum is rather outperforming Bitcoin. In other words, if Ethereum is having a stronger reaction than Bitcoin, then Bitcoin can drop lower and Ethereum can still withstand some certain market momentum. Perhaps it can drop below here and then quickly have a correction or quickly have a recovery. But now where things will get worse, where altcoins will bleed more, is if Ethereum drops below this line and if Bitcoin drops lower, and then if Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. That's when there's going to be a problem. And if this happens, expect a lot of altcoins to bleed. A lot of altcoins will drop heavily. Because if we check the history of Ethereum, look at what happened, guys. When Ethereum, let's take this out. When Ethereum dropped below this green line, look at what happened. Look at the percentage drop all the way from here to here. Okay, let's take a look at it. All the way from this point to this point. Look at it, guys. Ethereum dropped by roughly 64%. Do you know what is a 64% drop for Ethereum that represents altcoins? So if we take this measurement, let's assume Ethereum drops by 64%. Please, we are assuming. I'm not saying Ethereum will drop by 64%. I'm only giving you an assumption. So let's assume Ethereum drops by 64%. What are we going to have? At around 64%, that should roughly take us to around $600 for Ethereum. So just imagine if we have another drop. And the last area of resistance I am looking at for Ethereum, where Ethereum has always rested before a proper bull run, has been on this white line. So now here is the question. What if Ethereum drops below this green line and starts heading down to this white line? What happens? And where does this white line place us? This white line places us at around this angle, at around this region, between $300 to $400 to $500. So here is the question, guys. What if you see Ethereum dropping from this green line down to this area and it doesn't stop dropping? You see Ethereum drop down further from here down to here, and you see Ethereum dropping within 70%. And Ethereum is going down to $600, $500, $400. What if that happens? Are you prepared? Are you ready for it? Because if it happens, a lot of altcoins will bleed. I'm telling you. And this is actually my worry. Why is it my worry? It's my worry because I've seen it that Bitcoin would drop lower. That's number one. Because if you check these times, Bitcoin and Ethereum were working together in regards to having a market bottom together. This is why you saw Ethereum find support here, find support here, find support here. So this is the third time Ethereum is revisiting this trend line after 1 year. And the last time it visited this trend line was like 3 years from 2025. So what if in this cycle Ethereum drops below this line? What are we going to do? The best thing to do is to observe these charts. Follow the crypto prophets. Follow the crypto prophets. Very, very important. Follow the crypto prophets, because I bring you this kind of secrets. I bring you this kind of analysis you will not find anywhere else. This is why I am called the oracle of the crypto space, because what I reveal to you, you're not going to find it anywhere else. It's as simple as that. So this is why I've decided to engage you so you can see for yourself and know what to expect. But in whichever way, I am ready. I am 100% ready for this. If Ethereum drops below this green line, fine. I'm going to enter into a very good shorting opportunity. Why? Because I know it will drop very low. I'm not saying we may get down to these regions. Please don't misunderstand me. I didn't say we would definitely get down to this region. I just said if we break this green line, expect Ethereum to drop further. And I'm bringing out the structure for you. And that is because I want you to be informed. I want you to know. And this is why you need to follow the crypto prophets and subscribe to my channel. So it's very important. So if we drop below this green line, I expect a stronger dump for Ethereum, because we've done it before in the past. We've dropped below this green line. This was in the year 2018, and we dropped by 64%, 63 to 64%. So what if the same thing happens? Because we've been finding support here for the past 6 years. Ethereum has been finding support. So what if these guys decide to take down Ethereum to break this trend line for the very first time? For the very first time in history for the past 6 years. What if Ethereum breaks this line? What is going to happen? This means a lot of altcoins will bleed. You would see a lot of altcoins red. They would drop and break There are lower lows. Go down with Ethereum and there would be a bloodbath. And if there's a bloodbath, if you're into a short position, you're going to make a lot of money. But I am not telling you to enter into a short position with a lot of leverage. I've not given you the leverage. So if you want to enter with 1000x, that's your business. I never recommended any leverage to you. If your money gets liquidated, that's your business. For me, I'm just bringing out this pattern to you. Am I telling you to buy Ethereum? No. Am I telling you to short Ethereum? No. Am I telling you to long Ethereum? No. I am only bringing out the pattern and the structure for you. The rest is for me, the crypto prophet, and my community members. And this is why you need to be in my community. Send an email, check my YouTube channel, check the descriptive part, go through my channel, scrutinize my channel. You're going to see the email address to write to the platform to find out ways to get into the community of the crypto prophets. Very, very important. So ensure you take your time, go through every information I've shared, send an email to get into the family of the crypto prophets. This information is really going to help you. If Ethereum wants to break this line, I would know I'm the crypto prophet. If Ethereum wants to find support on this line, fine. I would inform my premium members because this would be one of the best buying opportunities. So the choice is yours. So thank you so much, guys. Ensure you subscribe to my channel, get more information. See you in my next video. Thank you.